I'm going to crack straight on because I've got quite a full box. First thing is a shampoo that Tony had, which is the L'Oreal Elvive Fibrology Thickening Shampoo. Not that she needs any help with thickening her hair, but I think this one was on offer. It smells quite nice. It's got quite a nice fresh sort of fruity scent to it, and she said it was very nice. I've got a couple of shower gels. I mention these every time. We love them. I've got a Pina Colada, which Tony used, and I've got an orange and Satsuma, which I used. I actually decanted, it takes around just over 4 of these into one of those large, I think it's the 1200ml. Is it 1200ml? It's the Body Shop Satsuma, but I actually decant them into there and I just use the pump action on it. It's absolutely great. It's much better than using these and squeezing out the last bit, so it just has a nice big, it looks nice as well on the side of the bath. So I use it for bubble bath and for shower gel. They're really nice. They're really quite slippy, so you have to be careful because once you get it on your hand, a bit of water and it just slides straight off. It's quite jelly like, but they smell amazing. And yeah, Pink Fizz this one's called, sorry. So yes, very, very nice and very cheap also. I have a Dove deodorant. These are always quite nice. Good value for money when it's on offer and smells just really fresh. Dove has a really nice fresh sort of scent to it and it's just quite a nice clean scent, so I like that. I got this out of Glossy Box a long time ago and it's the Tresemme Instant Refresh Dry Shampoo. Really like this actually. It was very nice. Nothing wrong with it, it's just I really like my Batiste. I like the cherry one, I like a couple of the other scents and stuff from Batiste, and it's just my preferred brand. But this was nice and decent enough, and I suppose if there was no Batiste ones that I liked and this one was on offer, I might buy it. So I have another shampoo in here that was Tony's L'Oreal Elvive, and this is the Extraordinary Oils. These are the ones that she tends to like. She likes the ones with the oils in. They smell really nice as well and they're really nourishing for the hair, so that's another one. We really like this range actually, which is the L'Oreal Elvive range. I just find that it's a huge bottle and these are often on offer in Superdrug for a really good price, so you get a lot of product for your money. So if you're watching your pennies and trying to make them stretch as far as you can, then definitely watch out for these in Superdrug. I have a setting spray from Avon Magic's Prime and Set Spray. Love this. This is a really nice mister on this bottle. I have a Neutrogena Visibly Clear Pink Grapefruit Scrub, and this is a daily scrub, sorry. Both my daughter and I both use this. We love this. What I love about this is the smell is lovely. It's pink grapefruit. It's very refreshing, but it's really great at clearing your skin. When I have a really bad breakout and I'm trying to clear it and nothing will work, using this, even just for a couple of days, really starts to clear it. It does dry your skin out some, so I do need to moisturise because I do have combination skin. So with having combination skin, it can pull the moisture out, but I really do find that it clears up spots really, really well. So I highly recommend that, and we always have this in. This one is, oh, I'm so disappointed about this one. Oh, I love the smell. I kind of want to keep it just so I can sniff it. It's that bad. This is the Clean and Clear Morning Energy, and it is the Skin Energising Daily Facial Scrub. This is the one that I used to use, but they seem to have discontinued it because I can't seem to find it at all, and I'm so bitterly disappointed. I love this. This one smells like orange sherbet sweets that I used to have as a child. It takes me straight back. I love the smell. It's really refreshing and that lovely sweet orange smell. So I'm very disappointed about that, but that was what I used to use before the pink grapefruit because that's really good for your skin as well. So if anybody knows, if anybody's carrying that at the moment or where I can get it, then please do let me know. I have a Dermalogica, which is basically being cut open so I could get every last drop out. I got this free. Basically, it was a subscription to a magazine. I can't even remember which one, but it was an annual subscription. You had to subscribe for 12 months and it was £12, and then you got a freebie pack with it, and it was a full size of the Daily Microfoliant, which is around £40, which I love. I'm so disappointed I don't have any at the moment, but it's expensive. Then it had another sample of 30ml, which was a daily moisturiser, and it had another small sample of something else. And this one, I think this is Active Moist. Let me see. Yeah, Active Moist. This is just such a nice moisturiser. It's so light. It's really lovely on the skin, and it really deals with the dryness but doesn't make you feel greasy at all. And if I had the money, I would definitely purchase that, but Dermalogica is quite a pricey brand. If I saw another magazine subscription for £12 and I had a free pack of Dermalogica, I'd be right on it because I think this is an amazing product. So really, really love that, and if I could afford it, I get it. Right, next I have a makeup item. This is a foundation. They don't do this anymore and I'm actually really disappointed. I kind of saw it coming because I know there was only 2 shades of it, but it is the Infallible Sculpt by L'Oreal and this is the light shade. I'm holding it like that because it's a bit wet and it's slippy. I love this, and I used to love it in the summer because it's really quite lightweight, but it had decent coverage and it was a perfect match for my skin colour, and I'm so disappointed that that is that and I can't get this anymore. I probably can, but I'd have to pay probably quite expensive for it on Amazon or eBay, so very disappointed that I can't get a hold of this anymore because it was just a really nice foundation. That's the way it goes. Also another nice foundation. Got this from QVC when it was nothing. You could do 3 easy payments, and another one. I love this stuff. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundations. I've had a spatula in there to scrape out any last bit of product. There's the tiniest amount clinging on the insides, but to be honest I can't get it. I've literally scraped everything I can out of it. The names come off on the back. It's a very light shade. But it was, I think it was, I want to say it was about £40 for the set. You got this and you got a mascara and a makeup bag and you got a bunch of products to try, and I'd always wanted to try them, so it was quite nice to give it a go. And I definitely get this again because when I wore it my husband would always notice. He'd say, your skin looks really good today. Oh wow, your skin looks great. And this is definitely it. I felt like it just evened my skin out really nicely and it had great coverage, so really loved that one. I've got 2 separate bags going down here. Recycling and non-recycling. Right, oh, there's another shower gel, but that's one you've seen. Another shower gel, this is the one that Tony usually has, which is the strawberry and raspberry. She loves that one, so that's her main one, but they sometimes do special editions. They did kind of drink ones. So we had Pink Fizz, I think we had Pina Colada, there was about 4, we tried them all, and they were all quite nice. So, yes, there's another one of those shampoos there. I'm not going to show you that, you've already seen that. Right, Batiste. This was from a glossy box. This is the Hydrate Me Oil Mist. Now, this is lovely. Oh, look, there's a little bit there. No, and then there's just nothing coming out. Oh well, I got a little bit. I got a little bit more than I bargained for. Okay, well, anyway, this is a dry oil mist, so I don't know if you can see already, it just gives a lovely shine to your hair when you put it on, and it's nice and hydrating. So if you dye or colour your hair, or if you've got hair that comes past your ears that's considered like old hair, then this is really nice, really nourishing, and I absolutely love it. It gives a lovely shine to your hair. Now, the one I used to use was a different one. I can't remember off the top of my head the brand, but it was nice to try this one because I'd not tried it before, and now I would get this one rather than the other brand, I think. So yeah, that was really nice to try that, and I will get that again. I'm out of it at the moment because I've just finished that and I didn't have a backup. I really thought I had another one in the drawer, but I don't, so I must get another one of those. Right, we're just down to these few items in this box. Oh, and a shower gel. So this is Imperial Leather. This is £1. That's crazy. Look how big it is. Like I said, Superdrug are just great for stuff like that. This was Mermazing. Oh, I really like this one. This one and the unicorn one. It's got a sweet sort of, almost, I don't know, marshmallowy sort of scent to it. It's really, really nice smell. So love this. And we do use that as bubble bath as well as shower gel, so that's quite nice. Now I am just stacking things. Right, I've got some hair products which I tried and have been really impressed with. Oh, this one's on squidgy. Right, these are the Schwarzkopf Colour Expert. This is the conditioner. I did have a shampoo, but it looks like that might have been thrown away. So I got the shampoo, the conditioner and the treatment. These are absolutely amazing. These are for coloured hair. I love it. I love the smell. I feel like I just don't have to use quite as much as I do with some shampoos, so I think it's really good quality. The leave-in treatment and the conditioner leave your hair feeling so soft, it looks so shiny. So I definitely get these again. I got these when they first came onto Superdrug when they were on offer, and I definitely will continue to pick these up. As I said, I tried the mane and tail conditioner just as a bit of a one-off because it was like on offer. and I absolutely love it. So kind of like, oh, should I really have tried that, because now I want to try more. But yes, this is an amazing. So I'd definitely get more of this, because I do feel like it actually made a difference to my colour. I feel like when I wash my hair in the bath, you can see the colour of the water, and I felt like it was less colour when I used this, if that makes sense. I definitely feel like it did make a difference. So I really, really love those. Definitely want to get more of those. It's all going to hell down there now. Right, now we are literally down to the things that are in here. I've got some makeup items actually. I have got a Beauty Blender Solid Cleanser, and it's gone mouldy. I have had it quite some time, but yeah, a little disappointed with that. It seemed fine, and then the next time I opened it, it just looked like that. So yeah, a little disappointing. But like I said, I've had it for quite some time. It is good. I don't think it's amazing, if I'm honest though. It's good, but I wouldn't repurchase it again. I find just using ordinary soap works just as well. I have the Lit Cosmetics Glitter Glue. I'm probably going to keep this little container, it's so cute. But this is really great glitter glue, love it. I have a big one of those which I'm currently using, so I do like that. I have some mascaras. So I have this one which was a glossy box, which is in Essence Lash Princess. Love this. Really, really nice mascara. It's just, it makes your lashes look nice and long, adds some thickness to them, and I really recommend that. So I have another one in the drawer. The packaging, look at the front, and then look how it's laced up at the back. Packaging is really pretty, and I think this is a really cheap mascara, so really, really rate this. It's just an amazing mascara. Then I have Lancome Hypnose Drama, or Lancome Hypnose, I think, just Hypnose. I got this a couple of years ago. 2 years ago on the January sales, and I just kept it until last year. It was sealed, I hadn't opened it, it was absolutely fine. That's what the brush looks like on this one. Definitely got a good 4 months out of that. I don't use them past 4 months. I've seen family members use mascaras that are old and get styes and all sorts, because they're not great once they get past a certain age, so you've got to be careful. You definitely don't want to have too many open at once. It doesn't say it's definitely going to happen, but sometimes it can, so I'm very careful. Got a good 4 months out of that. I literally just had that one out on its own. It's a pricey mascara, but it's also amazing. I love my lashes with this on. If I could afford to replace it, I would. I can't, but when I can, I will. And then the last one I got in a MAC bag. It was like when you get the lip and eye bags. And this is MAC False Lashes. That's a deluxe. Oh no, I didn't. This is actually, I tell you where I got this. I'm a part of what was called MAC Select in America, and I used to buy stuff and have it sent to my mailbox, and as a gift once I got this deluxe. I got an eyeshadow, a full size eyeshadow, a deluxe mascara and a bag. It was amazing value for free. Amazing value for free. That makes no sense. But yeah, this is a really nice mascara. I like the packaging. I love the mascara as well. It's got a really nice big wand on it there, and that is just, it's great. It's quite a short little thing there, but yeah, it's a really nice wand. Really enjoyed using this one. Again, comparable to the Hypnose. I love MAC mascaras though. I do think they are amazing. So that one was lovely. I've got something from Glossybox. Now it's not empty, but we'll get to that. This is the Figs and Rouge, and it is the Soft Fresh Pore Perfect HD Matte Veil Hydra Pore. So that's what this looks like. So this has got about a third still left in it, and I really loved it, really enjoyed it. I thought it was a really nice primer, kept my makeup on really well. I thought it did really great things for my skin surface, but I've got about a third left, and it started to smell a little bit funny, like a little bit rotten. So I've stopped using it. I don't know if that was any part of having a breakout, although I think it was something else, yeah, which is in here, which seems to have caused the problem. But yeah, I stopped using that because it was just, you know, when you put it on, it was like, oh, that's not a nice smell. So I got rid of that for that reason, but it was a very nice primer until that point, so that was quite disappointing. Right, I have some pencils. Right, this is Charlotte Tilbury. I got this in a box set a couple of years ago. You got the eyeliner and you got a lipstick in a little box that lights up. I don't know what it's called, but it is just the black one. Very, very nice. Loved it. Got down to this point and I wouldn't normally give up at this point. I continue till it is literally the tiniest of nubs, but this one is completely broken inside at this point. Every time I sharpen it, it just snaps off or just disintegrates. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to let that one go. Again, that's another thing that if I had the money, I'd replace it because I do think it was a really nice eyeliner. Another one. This is the same. I'm sad about this one. This is the 24/7 Velvet, Black Velvet eyeliner from Urban Decay, and I have the same issue with this one. I don't know if it's because they're that little bit softer, because the Charlotte Tilbury was a really soft one. I don't know if that's got something to do with it, but you can see there's literally quite a bit left of this one, but I have sharpened this about 10 times and it is just really disintegrated inside. So I'm sad to let that one go. And then this one is a Steve Laurent, and this is actually an eyeliner. It's this taupe sort of colour, and I was using it for my brows because it's quite a nice colour, but it's, you put it on and it literally just disappears. You can't touch it, you can't go anywhere near it, you're doing your makeup and then you're like, where's my brow gone? It just doesn't seem to stay on the skin at all. Quite disappointing because I think it's quite a pricey item, but that was a glossy box item, so I would not buy that. Oh, I've got another mascara in here and some water. Right, not a yeah, I have. Right, I've got an eyebrow pencil and it's small. Neve Cosmetics, this one. This is nice, but I have the same issue with this one. The side that I use continually now, it's just kind of breaking off, and the other side I'm not such a fan of. I definitely will get more of these. These are actually quite affordable. I probably will look to replace these because I used to have them in every colour and they're actually a really nice eyebrow pencil. I also have a mascara. This one is 3-in-1 Wonder Lash Mascara, the one. Oriflame. So this is a glossy box item. I didn't like this mascara. That was just really poor. That's the brush. It's very, very tiny. Very difficult to get anything product on your lashes if you're going to get any product out at all. It's almost like there's nothing in there. You just have to, you're just sitting applying and applying, and nobody's got time to spend 10 minutes trying to get some mascara out. So really, really dislike this mascara. Definitely wouldn't purchase that. And I'm glad that we got it. I know some people didn't like it because that's another kind of like Avon type product where it's a brand that sells things through catalogues and things. But I'm glad I tried it because I've always been curious about Oriflame, and I have to say that's put me off the brand because that was not a positive experience with the product. And then the last item is this primer, which is the L'Oreal Studio Secrets one. I don't know if this has just been open a little bit too long. It seems fine. It smells fine. That's what it looks like. This is an amazing primer. It really smooths out the texture on your face. It's so nice. It gives you such a beautiful complexion, but I do feel like it's caused this because I had not used it for a little while and it was sitting in there and I was thinking I need to use this up. I kind of had to sort through, got products to the front that needed using, and so I started to use this, and then I had this happen. And I still continued because I didn't think it was this. Yeah, and it was just getting worse. It spread a bit further. So I've stopped using this, and to be honest, touch wood, touch the door. Yeah, it seems to be clearing up, and I think that's other skincare things I'm doing as well, but I also think it's because I'm not using that. That's a little bit disappointing because that is a really nice product. I do have another one of these in the drawer. I will actually use it again and just see what happens once I've got my skin all clear. I do think maybe it's just been open quite a while and maybe that's it. So that is it. That's my empties. I really hope you've enjoyed them. Do let me know of things that you've used. Do let me know of any products that you've used up in entirety. That's what I love about empties, is that you've used a whole product. It's easy to use something and kind of go, oh, this was really nice, I've used it once or twice. But when you actually use a product continually, sometimes you can get like nearly to the bottom of the bottle and kind of think, oh, I can't wait for this product to be gone. I'm really over it. I just, you know, I don't like it. So we all show products on these channels and kind of go, oh, this is great. I've used this a couple of times. I really love it. But empties are really telling. They're the things that tell us in the long run, is that a product that you will purchase again? And I think that's really, really useful for when you are recommending products for the future. So hopefully that's been helpful. Thank you very much for watching as always. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.